and somebody might say the world is coming to an end. Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was having a conversation with ChatGPT and Grok, right? Live on radio. How can you let an artificial intelligence host a whole fucking radio show? Maybe to them it's all about greed, where one company, it's run by 5 individuals and the rest are just robots. Have you seen the movie I, Robot? Back in the days, we used to think, nah, it was just a movie, it's entertainment, but the shit is happening already. In this world, we need stupid people. We need rich people. We need poor people. We need smart people. Should we ban AI or should we delay it? Jobs like your accountants, your auditors, your doctors, gone. They're gone. We need regulations for that. You can't just let motherfuckers use AI on all these platforms and let it slide because the conversation was interesting. Sometimes I just want to listen to a motherfucker just telling me lies. Meanwhile, I know very well that they're lying. But if AI is lying, how can you tell it that it's lying? Even if you tell it, there won't be any back and forth between you and AI. You're just going to end up looking like you're stupid, man.